Okay, we're all cleaned up. Storm's over. Look at me, I'm all shiny. We're gonna head up to Woody's for crab cakes. They are delicious. I've had them before, and hopefully they're not sold out. So we're gonna head up to Dewey Beach, get some crab cakes here at, and some adult libations. Correct.
I'm Missy.
I'm Mike.
We're the Campoholics. A curfew for minors. You can't see it. Year round, from 12 midnight to 5 a.m. You are not allowed to be out in public if you're a minor.
Well, there was one summer Jimmy was telling me that it was like the whole world was a shortage on crabs. So and so he bought crates.
Oh, it's videotaping you.
Can I put you on YouTube?
Why? I mean, you can, so like,
okay.
why?
I'll run a travel channel.
You do?
Yeah.
So you're traveling to Delaware?
Yeah. It's a blog travel.
vlog travel?
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Thank you.
We can fix that though real quick.
There we go, blue carousel. There we go. Okay, so what'd you get? I got the
Pink taco.
You got the pink taco. I got the Viagra.
I do this all night long.
Oh yeah, delicious. You, me, and the RV. See, we're fans. Follow us. What the hell? Come on, girl. Delicious, nutritious crab cakes. Lots of crab meat and crab. No filling. Very good. Campoholics. Oh. Yeah. No, I'm about to pick. No picking crabs here. So we're still sitting here drinking. I'm drinking Slighty Muddy IPA. It's diet beer. Crab cakes were delicious. How much crab cakes? Is crab cake delicious? What's that? Is that an A-OK?
That's an A-OK.
That's a thumbs up.
It's an A-OK.
Crab cakes are delicious.
We have one for lunch tomorrow.
Woody's right here in Dewey Beach.
Check on our order. We're going to be at the concert.
No filler. All crab meat.
$33
Two.
for two. 6 ounces. Everybody says single. Yeah, right. Yeah.
Two crab cakes,
Good asparagus.
mac and cheese, coleslaw. And they're betting on bowling, women's bowling over there.
This dude fell down.
Man down. Women's bowling is crazy over there in the corner. Man down.
He's really down. She says, I ain't picking up.
Man down. Watching women's bowling here at Woody's.
He fell down. Right there.
Somebody give that man a helmet.
Self-inflicted wounds.
Self-inflicted, doesn't count.
It's a great night being a Campoholic.
Mini campcation.
Actually, we're watching Spelling Bee here on ESPN.
Yeah, that's true.
Quarion, Q-U-A-R-R-I-O-N. Quarion.
Yeah, it is. I've had him before.
Small, crested Australian parrot. Who'd have thunk it? Quarion. All right, things have calmed down now. People are all off the floor. Everything's good to go.
There she is there.
America.